Episode 17 of Inside 300 is live. Welcome in. I'm your host, Brian Perry, and do we have a good one for you today? Let me tell you why. You might remember a few weeks ago, there was an altercation at Hollywood Studios where punches were thrown. Fast forward a few days, and you've got a few teenagers over at Universal throwing ice at Velocicoaster, and they got thrown out. Well, now, we've got some exciting news because those two things have been dethroned as the dumbest thing that I've seen in a theme park this year. Why? Well, that's because a woman over at Epcot decided it was a good idea to jump out of her moving boat in order to grab a cucumber on Living with the Land. Oh, and this is why we can't have nice things. Just start the clock. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, look, we all know where this story is going, but let's get one thing straight. Living with the Land at Epcot deserves more respect. Give me the classic 1 mile per hour boat ride over the Grand Fiesta Tour any day. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to why it's leading our 17th episode. The often overlooked attraction got some unusual attention over the weekend when a guest said, "YOLO! That cucumber looks so good that I'm gonna jump off this moving boat and try to grab it." Now, look, don't get me wrong, Disney quick service prices can be expensive, I know. I mean really expensive. But a cucumber is 68 cents at Walmart. 68 cents! Why would you do this? I said it before and I'll say it again. Jumping off a moving boat in an attempt to swipe a cucumber is exactly why we can't have nice things. For those unfamiliar with the attraction, the educational boat tour that teaches you about the history of farming weaves its way through a few operational greenhouses. It doesn't require seatbelts or lap bars, thus providing guests like this one the opportunity to jump ship whenever they want. If she really had a burning desire to explore the plants and food seen throughout the ride, might I suggest the Behind the Seeds tour at Epcot, which is reasonably priced. Universal even got in on the fun by tweeting, "A churro, yes, but a cucumber? Then that is exactly my point." You can experience the magic of where this legendary moment went down by riding Living with the Land in the Land Pavilion at Epcot. No word on if Disney has banned the guests, but until people stop doing stuff like this,
only then will we truly be living with the land.
Heads up, we've got pieces of Cinderella Castle raining down on Magic Kingdom. Nearly 5 years after the iconic 45th anniversary banner said, "No, I don't feel like falling" during the ceremony. We now have 50th anniversary decorations popping off. Here's a pair of shots of Cindy's home, first featuring the new drapery, very nice, complete with a blue jewel in the middle. We fast forward a little bit and boom, it's gone. You can see what appears to be an adhesive in the middle of where the diamond once shined. The jewel was scooped up by Disney cast members from the grass below before Aladdin was able to grab it. Disney might need some extra scotch tape or call Garrett Cole, get some spider tack, as these decorations brace themselves for hurricane season in the coming months. Yesterday was opening day for Disneyland Paris's Hotel New York, The Art of Marvel. The new place houses 471 rooms plus 90 suites, with 25 of those dedicated to your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. To celebrate the opening of the brand new hotel destination, the OG Captain America, Chris Evans, was spotted strolling through the park. He wasn't the only one on hand to celebrate the new hotel, but Endgame director Joe Russo took his family overseas as well. Evans tweeted out that he wanted Crush's coaster to come to the United States, and look, I couldn't agree more. It is one of the most unique family-friendly attractions in any Disney park, and the theming is phenomenal. Russo shared that Disneyland Paris was the final of the 6 worldwide Disney resorts that he had to cross off his list, and it did not disappoint. Look, I never understood the slack Disneyland Paris got. Sure, the Studios park is the size of a walk-in closet, but the castle in their Disneyland park is the best Disney castle in the world. As for the Hotel New York, here's the official statement from Disney Parks blog. The hotel experience will take immersive storytelling to heroic heights. Guests can stand alongside a friendly neighborhood favorite for a selfie with Spider-Man at the heroic selfie spot at Superhero Station, where there will be photo ops aplenty. Aspiring comic book artists can sharpen their skills at the Marvel Design Studio, which I would imagine is kind of like the drawing studios at California Adventure and the old one at Hollywood Studios, but sports enthusiasts can power up at the Fitness Center, indoor and outdoor Metro Pool, and Hero Training Zone, which is an outdoor field with dedicated areas for a variety of sports activities. All right.
We like sports and we don't care who knows.
few years back, Shanghai Disney Resort announced that they would be building a land for the greatest Disney movie of all time, Zootopia. An opening date still hasn't been announced, but construction is full steam ahead. To prove that, Walt Disney Imagineers gave fans a first-time glimpse into some of the progress being made by showing off this jaw-dropping animatronic that's currently being built. The Walt Disney Imagineering account said that the polar bear, who is from Tundra Town, of course, stands at over 3 meters tall, which is nearly 10 feet if you don't know how to convert the metric system. My expectations for the land are through the roof, and I couldn't be more excited because Zootopia is my favorite Disney movie of all time, beating out the other 58. The park also announced there will be a new major attraction coming to the area, so once that opening date is announced, catch me on one of those 15-hour flights to China.
And just like that, we're done with episode 17 of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon. It's kind of funny, right? Is that worth it? No? All right, whatever. This way you're notified every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning when we come to you with brand new episodes. I'm Brian Perry, and as always,
bye-bye.